If you want to start gardening at any scale, I've got something special for you. My name is Phil. 6 years ago, my wife and I started homesteading in our backyard in the suburbs of Virginia, and it has changed the way we live. We started with nothing, a bare backyard, and transformed this space into a thriving garden that grows a majority of our produce. And along the way, we have learned so many valuable lessons and skills that have led us to live a more happy, healthy, and abundant life. And now I want to share what I have learned so that you can do it too. I created this course to guide gardeners that are starting from nothing, struggling with their existing space, looking to scale, or just get more out of their existing garden. Over 7 days, we'll dig into the details to grow an abundant garden and transform you into the master of your gardening space. If this is something that you've been longing to do, this is your sign to start.